Hey guys, so we have some new airdrop. Like, I'm gonna be introducing two major airdrops in this video. One is this Dipin, and the other is this wallet airdrop. Both involves simple tasks. So you can sign up. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. Go to the description box of this video to check out the registration link for this Sparkchain, a Dipin airdrop, and this Aida. This is a AI airdrop, and it involves just wallet. Like, they are very simple and no tax required like that. So let's go right into it. For this Aida, you have to click on the link. I've not signed up, I've not done anything. This is the first interface you'll be seeing. Then the next thing is to click on this wallet and create a wallet. Then save your face key as usual. So let me just wait till it's load. Then I'm gonna create a wallet, save my face key. I can as well import a new wallet here, but let me just do a quick creation. So I'm gonna proceed to create and save face key, then proceed to the next task. So guys, after you must have created your wallet and save your face key, and this is what the wallet looks like. So I can now log in to my wallet by I created a password as well. So you enter password and log in. So this is a multi-chain wallet. As you can see here, Solana, BNB, Ethereum. So they have different chain. As you can see, different chain. So the next task you have to do is to deposit any amount on any of this chain. Like for myself, I can choose to deposit BNB, or I deposit Tron, or Core, whichever you want to deposit, or base Ethereum. So you can deposit any amount here to make your wallet active. You have to deposit any amount here. So from here, you can choose which one you want to deposit to. You can see BNB, BSC, Ethereum, Solana, Units, O, Tone, PXP, Avalanche, C chain. You see all of these things. So to deposit anyone, this is the add funds. You click add funds. Remember, this is a decentralized wallet. You have your face key, meaning that any money you deposit here is your money. Any money you deposit on this account is still your money, so it's not a third party thing. So you can choose to deposit any funds here, and you copy the deposit address. Make sure you are selecting here. You see, I was thinking it is on BNB, and the moment I copy the deposit address, I'm seeing CHZ. So I can click on that drop down arrow to select BNB, and now copy the deposit address. Go to where I have BNB and send any amount of BNB here to hold, just to hold. Then after you must have done that, come to this menu page here. Here you are seeing network. This is where to change network. You are seeing dashboard. You are seeing launch zone. You are seeing launch AI. And you are seeing here my tokens. This is like the wallet part. Launch a token. Okay. And what we are concerned about is the task. So here you have to unlock your wallet and complete the social task. The wallet, the password you created when saving your face key, you enter the password, not your face key. Enter your password that you created and unlock your wallet to complete the social task. So, and after the social task, you are done. No other tasks to do here. So that's the major update on this Aida, on this AI airdrop. Create wallet, deposit any amount, complete the social task, and you can refer if you want to. So for this Sparkchain, this is a Dipin airdrop, as I mentioned earlier. So I just signed up, and you are seeing disconnected. I have not downloaded the extension. So you can always use a Mrs. browser if you don't have a PC for this Dipin airdrop. This extension, you have to download it here from this store. you're also seeing social task here. They have social task, join Telegram, retweet, tag friends, and all of that. So that's for the social task. For the reward, this is where you'll be able to connect your wallet, but it's showing coming soon. Additional features coming soon. So make sure you verify your mail. At first, when you register, they will not send the email code to you. So you have to come to this reward and verify email. As you can see, email verified. So you should come here. Remember to come here to verify your mail. If not, you might be disconnected. It's very important because they are not sending the email the instant you sign up. You have to manually come to the reward page and verify. So to download the extension, I'll click on store, and you are seeing welcome to store. Earn a stake in AI. Get rewarded for your unused internet. So here I'll click on add extension. So I'll just add the extension to the Chrome. So that I can get connected. Then click on add. So now I have the extension on my browser now. Let's see. I need to open and see this. Okay. I'm trying to log in from the extension so that I can see. Where's the extension here? I'm not seeing the extension here. Let me check again. I'm just trying to open the extension directly so that I will be able to. So that's what I'm trying to do. So now I will log in with my details, the one I use in signing up on the platform itself, so that I can get connected. So now I think I've logged in now. Let me just refresh and see. So automatically it has been connected. What I just did was to refresh, and that's all, and it was connected. So this is the moment it's showing connected, I already have my earnings reading from here now, and the down page is also showing connected. So I can now go back to the task to complete the social task and earn reward. So view task. What did they tell us to do here? Your support fails. Every tweet matters. Okay. So you can come to their social task to complete tasks. So guys, this is the update on the new airdrop that has just been added to our task, our farming stuff. So check the registration link in the description box of this video. Sign up and start farming. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Don't forget to join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.